Hi, my name is Arun Chaudhary, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Cloud Brains Learning with Arun Chaudhary. So, my friend, as I told you earlier, that we are going to start a tech series where we are going to be invite the candidates who are planning to start their journey with the cloud, or the professionals who are already working in IT industry and they want to move to the cloud, or the people who want to start their own business and they want to use Microsoft Azure platform to host their environment. So, in this episode one, I'm going to invite with me Mr. Durgesh, who is a Mr. Duges is a full stack Java developer, and here we are going to be discuss how he can start his career journey with Microsoft Azure. So Durgesh, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hello. So, first of all, thank you for inviting me here.
You're most welcome.
So, actually, here I'm going to discuss what is the career path for me as a developer. Because, first of all, I'll tell you, I'm into full stack Java development
Okay.
and working in a multinational company. Okay. So, what is the career path for as a developer only?
Okay, so if you talk about your background, so
Yeah.
you don't know anything about the Microsoft Azure, right?
Yeah.
So for this scenario, Microsoft offered you a different certification as per the role base. We call role based certification. So Microsoft recommended, if you are new to Microsoft Azure, the first thing you need to be go for the very fundamental course which called AG 900.
Okay.
This fundamental course is just a 8 hours course and which give you the understanding of basic of what is Azure, what are the different services, how Microsoft is going to help you in identity management, storage part, network parts, or your compliance part. So the basic understanding Microsoft give you. After that, according to your role, you are from the development background. So AG 204, which is designed by Microsoft for the developers only, can be a best choice to go there, where you are going to be learn how to create web application, how to deploy your application on Azure, right? How to use Microsoft Azure platform as a services. Platform basis, I would love to say, like database. You want to use SQL database to host your web application, or Microsoft offer you a wide range of non-SQL database like Gremlin, or might be you want to go for the Cassandra or any other database provider, we call Azure Cosmos database services. So I think AG204 is the right track you have to be start, which is again a 40 hours course.
Okay. So, thank you. So, as a developer, I'm asking, how can I use Azure to develop, test, and automate my applications which we develop?
Okay, good. So as you are coming from the Java background,
Yeah.
so Microsoft support a wide range of the different programming. You can use C, C Sharp, Java, .NET, and Python, Ruby, multiple programming languages Microsoft support. Microsoft provide you multiple hosting environment. You can host your application, like let's suppose you are dealing in open source. So Linux platform also available. You can use Microsoft Windows platform also available there. Microsoft provide the complete set for that one. Different applications, you can say app service plan are available as per your requirements. You can add the features, and according to the your requirement, we have the different app service plan available. Second thing, Microsoft include the serverless computing. You can make a flow, and for testing, Microsoft give you complete DevOps environment. On the DevOps, you can develop your code, you can test, you can use multiple staging, like in on premises. What you do first to develop a code, then you move this to the staging platform, like where your QA quality and assurance team do some testing and all this. After that, finally it move to the production environment. So same Microsoft offer you staging platform, and using that staging platform you can do all these things. So Microsoft help you in all these manners.
Okay, so that means in Microsoft we can get Linux hosting,
Yeah, and Windows hosting, both you can get.
both hosting.
Both you can get.
Okay. So, and how Microsoft offer HA, auto scaling, and security measures?
Security. So when we talk HA, there's a multiple way for hosting your web application. If you are planning to host a web application, you are creating a VM on Azure, might be Windows VM or Linux VM, and you are planning to host your code over there. Take an example. On Windows, you are creating IIS server, or Linux, you are creating Apache server, and then you are deploying your code. This is the one way. For high availability of your virtual machine, Microsoft offer you availability set in case a single data center failure. Microsoft offer you availability zone, and Microsoft offer you Azure load balance. Or you can use auto scaling concept also, which Microsoft called virtual machine skill set. You can define a threshold. If threshold is reaching, multiple instances will be created in the backend with a similar hardware configuration, means similar compute configuration. You can say. This is the one. Second thing, if you are planning to host your application in Microsoft Azure hosted environment, you want to host over there. So as a software as a services or as a platform as a services, you want to integrate database also. Microsoft support multiple SQL database and non-SQL also. There's a multiple type of the database over there. So that one Microsoft offer you Azure load balancer. You can use if you want to do the geo-based routing, performance-based routing, or priority-based routing for the different web application. You can use traffic manager. For security of your web application, Microsoft offer you layer 7. You can say the load balancer plus web application firewall. So mean it can protect you like SQL injecting, denial of service attack, and all the incoming attacks will be stopped over there. And for the scalability, I told you that virtual machine scale set, or you can scalability is two types, manual, or you can do the auto scaling. So horizontal and vertical both are supported in Azure.
Okay, well, so you have answered actually very well. Okay, so let's come to the next part, integration part.
Okay.
So if so, Azure support all type of integration.
Different integration Microsoft Azure support.
Okay. So where in Azure I can store my data, and like suppose right now I am creating my repository in GitHub. So we are using GitHub. So what I need to do in Azure?
Okay, great. So Microsoft also support you a variety of the, you can say, the external repository.
Okay.
You can host your web application data even Azure blob storage.
Okay.
You can use GitHub also.
Okay.
You can use like FTP also. You can use OneDrive.
Okay.
A part of that one, there's a multiple other external repository Microsoft support to store your codes.
Okay. So my last question is, can we use SSO? Can we enable SSO?
Yes. So this is a great question. So basically, Microsoft offer you SSO. Let's suppose your web applications are running with Microsoft Azure, and your identities are hosted somewhere else. Take an example, might be AWS on-premise or Google Cloud, or might be somewhere else. So we can enable Microsoft offer you wide range of SSO protocol.
Okay.
Microsoft use SAML protocol for that one. You can enable single sign-on, so user no need to be log in, log out from their identity, and they can access application in cloud. Similar way, let's suppose your web application is hosted in any other cloud platform. So you can use your Azure AD users, you can enable SSO, and user can create, user can access their application from other platform.
Okay.
A part of that one, we can also enable, let's suppose your web application you are having, you want to, user need to be login by using Google, Gmail ID, Facebook, Twitter, or any Microsoft account also. Okay. So all these facilities Microsoft offer.
And what about the SSL things?
SSL Microsoft allow you that you can upload your own public certificate over there. You can use your PKS certificate and you can upload. You can achieve the HTTPS. So Microsoft support HTTPS and SSL 1.2, which is the latest in the market.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I hope it was clear for you.
Definitely.
So you'll be ready for the Azure journey. So we'll say good luck and thank you for coming us. Thank you. So guys, thank you for joining us. So if you like this video, I hope anyone who is planning to come in your career in Microsoft Azure, especially from the development background, I hope after this interview or this session, all your query will be get clear. We are going to be launch many other upcoming episode. We are going to be invite other people also like who want to start their journey in Azure infrastructure part also. We are going to be get the next stage over there. So in this episode 1, I just want to finish there. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.